Hello and welcome to the channel Fabrico. Today we're going to sew Jacqueline trousers. You can download this PDF pattern in the description box below the video. Its wide leg palazzo trousers feature zip fastening, side seam pockets and a stitched waistband. They have two pleats at the waist on each side. We recommend to use medium density suiting fabrics. Also, you need trouser zipper, interfacing and one button. Let's get sewing and let's start with the pockets. Interface the pocket bag along the cut of the pocket entrance with a strip of fusible tape. Place the pocket bag right sides together with the front trouser and stitch at 7 mm. Top stitch along the pocket bag. The stitching line should be at 2 mm from the stitching seam. Press the pocket bag on the wrong side. Place the side piece on the pocket bag right sides together and sew it on using an overlocker and press the seam. Secure the pocket along the waist and side edges. Press the finished pockets. Form pleats along the waistline and secure them with a stitch. The next step is trousers assembling. Interface the zipper allowances on the front trouser halves. Press the allowance according to the patterns. Overlock or zigzag the middle seam. Sew darts on the back halves of the trousers. Press them towards the seat seam, pressing up the area. Place the front trouser on the back trouser, right sides together. Align the notches and sew the side cuts, then overlock or zigzag the seam. Press to the back halves of the trousers. Pin and stitch leg seams, overlock or zigzag them, press them to the side of the back trousers. Sew the middle seam and the seat seam in one seam, overlock and press. Now it's zipper time. Press the fly in half and stitch the bottom edge at 7 mm from the edge. Turn it onto the right side. Press and overlock the edge. Place the zipper on the fly to the overlocked seam allowance. Then place the pressed front left half of the trousers on the top of the zipper. Pin them and stitch close to the zipper at 2 mm along the ironed fold. Place the fly flap, it's the right side of the fastener, evenly on the zipper, then bend the trouser half and pin the fly flap onto the zipper. Stitch it close to the zipper chain and make a second stitch along the edge of the zipper. Top stitch along the front side of the fly flap. Secure the fly piece at the bottom from the wrong side. Press the finished fastening.
We
continue with the loops. Overlock or zigzag one longest section of the belt loop piece. Place the unsewn section towards the center of the part and cover it with the overlocked allowance. Pin along the entire length and along the folds, top stitch at 2 mm. Press. Cut the loops to the required length and stitch them to the waistline along the notches. Finally, let's proceed to the waistband. Press the waistband in half inside out, overlock the inner edge of the waistband, stitch the edges, cut and flip and press. Pin the belt along the notches to the waistline and stitch. Press the seam allowance upward towards the waistband. Sew the fly and the fly catch with the waistband. Secure the waistband to the stitching seam. First, pin the waistband along its entire length with pins. Sew the loops to the waistband at 2 mm from the fold and press. Sew the buttonhole and sew on the button, overlock or zigzag the hem allowance and top stitch. Give the trousers a final press.